Hi friends, if TV supports screen mirroring, we need to open mirroring app or miracast app. If TV support Google Chromecast, we need to enable Chromecast on TV. This TV supports screen mirroring. Let me open mirroring app. So this is a mirroring app. Then keep this screen open. Then in mobile phone, open settings app. Tap on the settings app icon. Then select connection and sharing. Then select screencast. Then tap here and enable screencast. Now it's searching for available devices. You can see it's showing Android TV and TV stick. Android TV has Google Chromecast, TV stick has miracast. So let me select TV stick. So now it's trying to connect. Please wait. Okay, done. It's working. So if you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. So if you want to disconnect, go to settings, then tap on this close icon here. See, now it's disconnecting. Please wait. Okay, done. So please try it.